Racing of a different kind now. Douglas Hollywood Gore will be one of 3 Jamaicans competing in the BMW 8 Series in the first of the Caribbean Motor Racing Championship to be held at the Jamwest Raceway from May 12 to 13. Following damage to his Kia Rio engine, 2-time champion Gore was left to be a spectator. But luckily, 3 of the 13 BMW 8 Series arrived in Jamaica on Friday, and the Jamaican was given a chance to test his skills against the 12 overseas drivers.
We're all basically exactly the same, and it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. Make sure and come out and root on the Jamaicans. I'll be one of them that's driving the blue Bema Cup series car, and it's going to be a hell of a lot of fun. We're looking forward to it this weekend.
Gore is hoping to be among the top 3 performers so he can be invited for the series in the region.
Well, the Bema Cup is its own point series. Who knows where it will take me? You know, as I said, this is something that travels all over the Caribbean. So let us see how this one pans out, and hopefully maybe I'll get invited to come and run in Antigua or Barbados or Trinidad or one of the others. That the Bema Cup series will keep going. So.
Meanwhile, the JMMC members and the JRDC toured the Jamwest venue to look at the recent improvements, which included the removal of gravel from the track.
Planning meeting. Unfortunately, it rained heavily all day. However, that really effectively gave the track a nice washing off. Now the track has been swept, the infield has been cut, and the venue is basically ready for the event. The pit lane, the new pit lane, will be used for this meet. We're going to have pre-gridding because of the schedule. It's so many races, both the CMRC races and the JRDC races.